So again, in the last video, we showed you how to set up your company details, how to create your users, and how to manage your profile. So today, we're just going to focus on creating quotations and invoices. So to create a quotation, you simply navigate to the quotations module and click create. It's going to show you this nice looking page with two sections, one for the customer details and one for the quotation items. So the first thing you need to do is to select your customer. In the event that you don't have any customers registered at this point, you can click the create customer button on the far right, enter the details and click save changes. Once that is done, you will need to select your customer using this drop down here, and then the system will automatically fill in the details. The next thing you need to do is to select your currency. So as you can see, there are only two currencies here because these are the only two currencies which I defined in the rates module. If you want to add another currency, you just use the rates module under the settings menu. So in this case, I'm going to select USD to create a USD quotation. Now to add an item, what you want to quote for, just click add item, fill in the description, the quantity and the unit price, then the system will automatically calculate the total price. So in this case, I am going to quote for an ice cream 5-liter, quantity 10, and each one is going for $7 per unit. So to save this item, just click save, and right at the bottom you're going to find a notification telling you that the item has been added. And as you can see on my form, I have created my item and I have an option to remove it. So if you want to add another item, just simply go back to the add item button, fill in the details like what I have done here, and then click save changes as well. And as you can see, we now have two items on this section. And if you are done adding your quotation items, you now need to click the create quotation button. And when your quotation has been created successfully, you're going to see a notification like this one and a record showing the new quotation that you've created. So it will have a date, a quotation number generated by the system, and also the customer. Uh, so before you export that quotation into a document, into a PDF document, this field here will be blank, but no worries, it's a simple step to convert your quotation into a document. But before we do that, there's also an option to edit your quotation. So if you click edit, it will allow you to change the customer, the currency, add more items, or even remove items. And once you've done that and you're satisfied, you just need to click update quotation and it's done. But for now, I don't want to edit anything. I just want to go back to my quotations module and then export to PDF. So for you to view other quotations that you've created, just go back to the quotations module and click view. And as you can see here, this is the quotation that we created. Click view, and now we have an option to generate a PDF. The generate PDF button is going to give you two options. One is to include the VAT on your document or not, and then two, the option to change to a different currency. So right now I just want to include the VAT and keep the currency as USD, and if you click save changes, the system is going to generate the PDF for you, download it for you, and you can view it. And once the PDF has been downloaded, you can view it, and this is how it looks like. So we are going to keep on improving our PDF template, but right now I think it looks good. So thank you very much for being with us. In our next video, we're going to be looking at invoices.